Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I get into this video, I do want to let you guys know that I just launched my very own cosmetic line. It is called TY Beauty Cosmetics. So if you guys are interested, please check it out, support your girl. I just started a lip gloss line that it's on there, but it's going to consist of so much more, so keep an eye on that. This video is just a small tutorial on how to create a gloss of your own. It's not necessarily the things that I use, considering that I am starting a business and I don't want to share all of my secrets, but a very simple tutorial. Hope you guys like it. Keep on watching. Alright guys, so everything that you see here is what you would need to make lip gloss: Versagel, pipette, syringe, gloves, your tube, your disposable bowl, disposable spoon, and your oils of your choice. So here I am just going to add my gel. I don't measure, I just pretty much eyeball everything. If you would want to measure, I highly suggest getting a measuring scale if you want to just be accurate and just be able to save those measurements for the future for making future glosses. But yeah, I eyeball everything, and it pretty much always comes out the same. So yeah, I eyeball everything, but here I'm just simply just mixing the oil into the gel until the gloss has that consistency that I like. I like the thick creamy feel. Some people like their glosses thinner, some people like them thinner, but yeah, it's totally your preference. This is your gloss that you're making, so make it your own. So as you can see, I just took one of those pipettes and cut them in half and extended the syringe. It's just easier for me to get that product in the tube. So you just saw that I just took the glitter. Originally I was going to just make a simple clear gloss, but I just wanted to jazz it up a little bit so it doesn't look so boring. So I'm just taking some glitter micas, cosmetic glitter. Don't just use any glitter. Make sure it's a cosmetic glitter. You don't want to just put anything on your face. So yeah, it's just a mica that I have that I mixed into the gloss, and you see that I'm just going to add it into the syringe. You see how I twirl the spoon? It kind of help it get in there. It actually does help to prevent mess instead of just scraping it in there. That's just a little method that I like to use. And then you're just simply going to take the product and fill your tubes. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna be quiet now and let you guys enjoy the remaining of this video. Don't forget to check out my website. It's called TY Beauty Cosmetics. The website is tybeauty.com. Don't forget to check it out. Check me out on Instagram, t.beauty on Instagram. And go ahead and support your girl. I sell the wand tubes and the squeezable tubes for a cheaper price. And right now I am doing a 25% off promotion right now. Just type in lips with a Z at the end 20 at checkout and get that 25% off. All of the links and everything will be in the description box. So yeah, I'm gonna be quiet now. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.